Students, good morning, namaste. This is the seventh part of Objective Straight Line chapter, online classes for PU2. And we are in the objective bits, that is already 13 problems over. Now we will start the 14th problem. A line whose sum of intercepts is equal to half of product of intercepts. Already I sent that bunch of 30 problems, bunch of papers, including 13 objective bits are there. You open it and you see the line, the equation of line. Okay, no? The line whose sum of intercepts is equal to half of product. This is important. Product of intercepts. Then that line is passing through. Okay, that is second part. First, we will see. Given, what is given? You see, the given is the sum of intercepts, that is A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 AB. Okay, na? That is the condition only. That is 2A plus 2B is equal to AB, na? Okay, na? 2A minus AB is equal to minus 2B, na? A of 2 minus B is equal to minus 2B, na? You see that, 2 sending to this side. 2A plus 2B, AB. 2A minus AB minus 2B. So it is A of B minus 2 is equal to 2B, na? I am sending minus on both sides, you take minus. So A is equal to 2B by B minus 2. This is one condition. Okay, na? It is one condition. Actually, you see, the equation to line is again x by A plus y by b is equal to 1. That implies it is bx plus ay is equal to ab. Okay, na? Bx plus ab by ab. That implies bx plus what is a? 2b by b minus 2y. I am substituting a value with this condition. The a of 2b by, b of a is in terms of 2b by b minus 2. Okay, na? Yeah. That implies it is, you take b as common. B of x plus 2y by b minus 2, na? Don't confuse. B and b is taken as common. X, here 2y is there by b minus 2 is equal to b of 2b by b minus 2. So bb cancels. It is a number, not variable. So make answer. So it is b minus 2x LCM plus 2y by b minus 2. Okay, na? Is equal to 2b by b minus 2. So again b minus 2 also cancels after making LCM. Okay, na? Now it is bx minus 2x plus 2y minus 2b is equal to 0. Here x bx minus 2x plus 2y minus 2b is there. One more, I write one more thing. Here it is minus 2x is okay. Minus 2x, just wait. Minus not 2x, you see, it is 2y is there, 2y minus 2x, I will write it. First term is always to make it as a positive, 2y minus 2x. Minus 2x plus bx is there, minus 2b is there. It's okay, na? You see that? I will write clearly the side. I am using that condition. Okay. Now you see, clearly we will write it as, it is 2y plus b minus 2x minus 2b is equal to 0 na? Okay na? You see, or otherwise we will take b as common. 2y minus 2x as it is plus b of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay then? Don't confuse. This is one line. It is another line. It is just like L1 plus lambda L2. Just like it is there. This is a line. You see, it is a purely a line. 2y minus 2x is a line. B of x minus 2 is another line. This is the equation. It is just like L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. That means it is just like a third line is passing through the point. This point is there. This is third line. It is L1 is equal to 0. Say it is L2 is equal to 0. That much of concept is there. Okay na? So you see there. Here x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2y minus 2x is equal to 0. There are two lines. Okay na? Don't confuse. This is L1 na. It is L2. Two lines are there. That implies x is equal to 2. The coordinate of this point. X is equal to means 2. You substitute here 2y minus 2 into 2, 0. So y is also 2. 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. So it is 2 covered. That much of concept is there. You see it. You don't see the length of the problem. You learn it. What is the concept hidden in this problem? How to solve it? The length is again, the length of the solution we can, if you know the solution of a line, solution of a problem, you can easily shorten the method. But for the purpose to make you understand it well, I am giving a clear picture. Okay na? Right. So here the answer is this one. Okay na? Now we'll go to next. The next one is 15th. The 15th problem is equation of line passing through the point of intersection. POI means point of intersection of x minus 2y is equal to 1 and x plus 3y is equal to 2 and parallel to that one. So here also you say L1 is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and L2 is identically equal x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Same concept. It is L1 is equal to 0, it is L2 is equal to 0. We need a third line, L. That is required. This is equal to the line, which is parallel to the line, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Then what is its equation? Its equation is, the line is passing through the point of L1 plus lambda of L2 is equal to 0. Already, the previous problem I told you. Okay na? L1 is x minus 2y minus 1 plus lambda of x plus 3y minus 2 is equal. This is the required line. Okay na? We substitute in it again in order to get the required line equation. That is x of 1 plus lambda na 1x plus lambda x plus y of 3 lambda minus 2 na. It is a minus 1 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, Nana? Yeah. What is the slope? M1. Slope. Here slope of the above line is minus a by b, that is minus of 1 plus lambda by 3 lambda minus 2. This is m1. And what is the slope of this one? The parallel line. The required line is parallel to the given line is there. That is the slope. m2 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here is there, very clear. But we know that, you see, but m1 is equal to m2 Why? They are parallel. So minus of 1 plus lambda by 3 lambda minus 2 is nothing but minus 3 by 4. That implies minus, okay, 4. It is 4 plus 4 lambda is equal to 9 lambda minus 6. 9 lambda minus 6. That is 10 is equal to 5 lambda. That is lambda is equal to 2. So lambda is 2. So I substitute in this one, in 1. Okay, na? So here it is the required equation of line. Okay, na? Required line is in 1 we will substitute. The x minus 2y minus 1 plus, you see that lambda is 2 na. It is 2 of x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x plus 2x is 3x minus 2y plus 6y. Minus 2y plus 6y. It is plus 4y. Minus 1 to minus 4. Minus 5 is equal to 0. No doubt it is parallel to this line. Okay, na? So you send to this side, third is correct. Okay, like that we can solve the problem. Now, next 16th problem. The 16th problem is here and then we will solve 17th. 16th problem is the length of normal is 7 units and the angle made by that normal with positive axis is 150 degrees. That is, the equation is, it's also a good problem. You see, it is a 16th problem. It's a normal form. A line is like this. This is a line. From origin, the length is 7 units. Its length is 7 units. It is 7, yeah. The 7 units length is there, yeah, okay. And it makes angle 150 degrees with the positive x-axis. This is the positive y-axis. With the positive y-axis is there. So that means this one. This is 150 degrees. That means this line is making with the positive axis upside is 150 degrees. Means then it is 30 degrees. Don't confuse. The line is making 150 degrees with the positive y-axis, not like this one. This is a negative y-axis, the positive. Total is 180. So 150 means this is 30. If it is 30 means here it is written. If it is 30, here is because it is 180 na. 180 is there. Okay, you try to understand. It is 180. Now you tell me. The normal from origin to the line is 7 and it is making a 150 degrees angle with the positive x-axis. Okay, na? It is 180, total is 150 plus 30. Okay, na? If you have any doubt or otherwise, I will tell in a different way. Like this. It is 90, then it is 60 na. Okay, na? 90 plus 60. This is parallel. I am taking one line, the parallel x-axis. Parallel axis. It is 90. It is 60. So it is how much? It is 30. Like this, you can understand it well. Please. Parallel x-axis, I am taking one line parallel. Total is 150. 150 is 90 plus 60. If it is 60, this one is 60, means it is 30. Because there are alternate angles. It is 60 means it is 30 degrees. Okay. Now I will come to the point. This is a line making the length of normal is 7. That means P is equal to 7 and alpha is equal to 30 degrees only. Not 150. It is 30 degrees. Okay. Now x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P na? Yeah. It is x 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees is equal to 7. Okay, Nana? The x into root 3 by 2, y into 1 by 2 is equal to 7. It is root 3x plus y is equal to 2 7s 14. So this is a required line equation. Okay, now here unknowingly we will take alpha as 150 degrees or 180 minus 150, it is okay 30. Like that also, but you have to draw this one in your mind only, not it is needed to write on the board and write on your paper. Not needed, but for understanding, okay, a clear picture is there. Try to understand. So here it is root 3x plus y is equal to 14. I think this one is correct. That fourth one. Okay, now like this D option is correct. Okay. Now we go to the 17th problem. Next 17th is a line is passing through the point 3, 4 is such that it intercepts between the axis bisected at A. Then its equation. Already we solved like this problem. Again I want to tell you. It is the origin is a line x-axis, y-axis, line is cutting x-axis at A and y-axis at B. OA is x-intercept. OB is y-intercept. But this portion AB is intercepted by the axis. This is important. It is bisected by 3, 4. The midpoint. This is midpoint. This is midpoint of AB. This is midpoint of AB. So it is it is 6, 0 na. It is 0, 8. Then what is the midpoint? 6 plus 0 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 0 plus 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So we can correct directly I will. So what is the equation? This is 6 and it is 8. Correct? It is OA is 6 and OB is 8. Because it's coordinates. The A and B coordinates can be derived from the diagram itself. So x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A is 6. Y by A is B is 8 is equal to 1. Okay, na? So it is 24x. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. Okay, Nana? 24. If there, you see that. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. It's a C option. Is it okay, na? Huh? Or otherwise, a direct formula is there. Also, I will tell it. I already explained that formula. So that is x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 2. If it is a midpoint, 1:1 ratio. This is x1 and y1. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. LCM is 4x plus 3y by 12 is there is equal to 2. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. Same. Okay, by using this formula also. Okay, yeah. Okay, just plus. Okay, 18th block continuation. The lines P of P square plus 1, it is 18th problem. P of P square plus 1x minus y plus q is equal to 0. And another line is P square plus 1 whole square x. Again P square plus 1 y plus q 2q. Both lines are perpendicular to a common line. Suppose this is common line, we assume. Common line. It is perpendicular to that common, both lines. This is one line is this one, you assume this is this line. That means they are parallel. These two lines are parallel. But with a hurry, we think that they are perpendicular. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Like that we will go. But here not that one. Here lines are parallel. So m1 is equal to m2. What is m1? m1 means it is the slope of first line minus p of p square plus 1 by minus 1. A by b na minus a. This is the quotient of x by b. B is the quotient of y is minus 1. Here it is also minus of p square plus 1 whole square by p square plus 1. Okay na? So here minus 1 p square plus 1 square cancels. Again is similar. Here minus is plus. So it is p of p square plus 1 is there. But here minus p square plus 1 is there. Okay na? You send to this side. It is p of p square plus 1 plus p square plus 1 is equal to 0. One side. So it is p square plus 1 of p plus 1 is equal to 0 na? Okay na? You see, here product of two terms. I am taking the common. P square plus 1 is equal to 0. It is no solution. For here only, it is no solution. Meaningless. P square is equal to minus 1 will come. So it is wrong. So firstly we will get P is equal to minus 1. That means only one, exactly one value for P. What is the value of P is not asked. But we are asked to find only how many number of values of P. Okay na? So it is over. Here the concept is made, it's a perpendicular to a common line. With a hardiness, we will feel that that lines are perpendicular. But it is a wrong concept. Okay, now I will go to the next problem. You see, the coordinates of the points A were given A is equal to 3, 3 and B is equal to 7, 6. The two points are there. A line is like this. It is passing through 2 points A, 3, 3 and B, 7, 6. Like this we assume. Like this. just a diagram only, not actually, it is not B, it is not A. Okay, just I'm taking. If the line AB is passing through A and B, then what is the equation to AB? Is x minus x1 is 3 by 3 minus 7. Y minus 3 by 3 minus 6. Will agree? X1 by 1, x2 by 2. X minus 3 by minus 4 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3. Minus minus cancels. It is 3x minus 9 is equal to 4y minus 12. So 3x minus 4y is equal to, it is minus 3. Will agree? 3x minus 9, it is 4x minus 12. Minus minus cancels. So 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 3. Or minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Taking minus on both sides. Now divide with 3. It is minus 3 cancels 1. It is y by 3 by 4. Will you agree? It's okay, na? It's a minus 1. No need to worry. The coefficient of, or otherwise, if you have any doubt, so it is plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x-intercept and with the formula minus c by a minus 3 by coefficient is minus 1. Similarly, y-intercept is equal to minus c by b minus 3 by minus 4. So it is 3 by 4. Okay, na? So what is A? A means here on x-axis. Okay, na? So it is P and it is Q. Where is it? This is the answer. The x-intercept is minus 1 comma 0. Will you agree? And y-intercept is what is y-intercept? It is 0 comma 3 by 4 Q coordinates. Okay, na? We are asked to find not the length of AB, differently asked, then the length of portion of line AB intercepted between the axis. The portion of the line AB, not AB, not the length of AB, but it is twisted. The line AB, this is the line AB, it is intercepted between the axis is PQ. We found the coordinates of P and Q. Now, what is PQ? We are asked the length of PQ then. PQ, what is PQ? It is the root of, say, x2 minus x1. Okay, na? Square plus y2 minus y1 square. It is 1 plus 9 by 16. 16 plus 9 by 16 it is 5 by 4. Okay, na? So it is first option. Okay, like this. You don't think about the length of the problem. Of course, it is a short methods are there. Where it is, I will tell you. Both the short method and the concept method also is important. If you know the concept of the problem, especially it is useful in the geometry. If you read the verbal problem, if you cultivate a picture which is related to the problem, it is enough. Whatever it may be the problem is given, easily you can solve the problem. Okay, na? Okay, na? Thank you.